How to add a button to the navigation menu in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a button to your Squarespace website main menu at the top or the header. It is going to be a very easy step and also very quick one. So we're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see this platform. Now we are going to visit our account dashboard and we are going to satisfy ourselves by seeing this specific page. Now from here, you're going to choose one of the websites that you have created and want to add the specific feature to. By the feature, I mean the item to the navigation. So I'm going to add that to the first one because the other ones are going to be expired. So I'm going to click on go to website in here. So once you have clicked that, you're going basically to see your website in here. And basically this is it. Now, what we're going to do basically is to have this specific website loaded like that within the Squarespace website editor or builder. Now, we're going to choose the home page or any page that we want. So we're going to click on pages first, and then you're going to see the main navigation or the navigation menu. So we are going to have it right there. So as you can see, each one of the elements that has been added in here are going to be considered and added into this specific area. So we have from the blog to the reservations, from the blog to the reservations in here. So I can go ahead and remove one of the, as you can see here, linked and put it into the non-linked, and you're going to find it that it is going to be going and it is going to hide. Now, how I can add an item or a link. So either you are going to click on here as the specific, as you can see, plus button, and then you're going to see a lot of things. You can add pages, normal pages or blank pages, page layout, scheduling, or specific type of pages like collections. Here we have, as you can see, blogs, store, portfolio, events, videos, course, and also for more options like a member site, also a drop down and a link. So if I want to add a link, this is going to be here. So you can go ahead and link to an internal page or an external site. So when you click on add a link, so you can see here that we have the link title and also the URL or the nature of the specific link. Either it is going to be a URL, a file, an email, or a phone. If you're going to ignore that, you can go ahead and see the main navigation in here or specific, let's say here, anchored sections. So you can go ahead and put this link specific one into a specific anchor or a specific section that you're going to have them in here. For getting a section code or something or ID, you're going to have here to install this specific, as you can see, find Squarespace IDs. So this is going to be the IDs to show up into your specific website. Now we are going to give here a link title like here, more, for example, more info, for example, or contact page. I think that we do not have the contact, and we can go ahead and have here whatever we want. So either we are going to put something like that, or you can go ahead and put it to an email. So you can go ahead and put an email address, a subject, a body, and then you're going to add it. So in my case, I would go ahead and put it as a URL, maybe to the specific, let's say, store. I think that the store is not going to be in here, so we are going to click on save. And you're going to see the contact in right here. So you can go ahead and organize the contact to be to the last position like that. And also you can go ahead and change the side, or not side, but the position of it right there. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.